بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. In the last video we talked about the throat letters, some of the throat letters, حروف الحلق. We have already covered مخرج الهمزة, الهمزة والهاء from the bottom of the throat. And then we talked last video we talked about the middle of the halq, middle of the throat, which is وسط الحلق. We covered عين الحاء. Today I'm just gonna give one letter just to make the video shorter. We're gonna talk about the top of the throat. So top of the throat is this area right here. We have the letter غين. غين. Alright, we have two letters. We have غين and خاء, but today I'm just going to talk about the غين. So the غين comes out from the area of the root of the tongue. So this is called the root of the tongue. Over here, let me change the color. This over here, it's the root of the tongue. Alright, and what lies opposite to it from the soft palate. طيب. So we have the root of the tongue, this area, okay, and what lies opposite to it from the soft palate. So we said this is the soft palate and this is the hard palate. So we're talking about this area right here, the soft palate, right? So over here we have حرف الغين, الغين والخاء. Next time we're going to take the خاء. Today we're going to talk about the غين. So if you move the root of the tongue, if you move it backwards and you kind of bring it closer to this area, but what you're going to do is you're going to leave a gap for your sound to go through. Alright, let's change the color again. We're gonna leave a tiny gap over here, so because this letter غين has رخاوة. Later we will learn that it has running of the sound in the مخرج. So the مخرج is not completely closed. It doesn't close all the way. It gives a little, space between the soft palate and the root of the tongue. And that's where the غين comes out from. Common mistake that people do in the غين is bringing the root of the tongue all the way back and closing the مخرج. They'll say غير المغضوب, مغضوب. First of all, they close the مخرج. Second, there's no sound. They cut off the sound of the letter. Why? Because they kind of close the مخرج. Another mistake is they keep the مخرج open so the sound goes through, but what happened? They stop the voice. They say غير المغضوب, مغضوب, مغضوب. So what we want to run the sound in this letter. غير المغضوب. Keep your voice going. Don't stop the sound. المغضوب. The word يغشى, يغشى. So you don't say يغشى, يغشى. You don't cut off the sound over here. This is basically it for the مخرج of the غين. So later, inshallah, when we talk about the صفات of the غين, we will learn more things that we have to apply for the غين, which is استعلاء and تفخيم and whatnot. But for now, make sure, number one, you go to the right مخرج over here. So I do not want you to go here and bring it the غا, 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 غا. It's all the way down, top of the throat. So it is not up here. This is where the qaf is. غا. So say غا, غو, غي, غا, غو, غي. Not غا, غو, غي. Don't push that air in here. Don't let air flow goes through. Just sound, voice. غا, غو, غي. يغشى, يغشى. Not يغشى, يغشى. Right? So why? Because we will learn later that the kha is from the same articulation point, and they would be mixed up. You would mix the ghain with the kha. That's it for today. I hope this was beneficial, inshallah. If you have any question, please you can leave it in the comment box. Inshallah. بارك الله فيكم والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.